A very pleasant morning to all my dear students. Today is 22nd of January 2021. Yesterday we had discussed about story writing, its layout, format, everything. And we have discussed that how we should have to frame or narrate a story. For that we have seen that some important elements are there. That is first, character. Every story has some character. हर स्टोरी में कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं. बिना कैरेक्टर के स्टोरी नहीं लिखी जा सकती है. Then we have seen setting of the story. After knowing about information about that story, we have to set it. We have to arrange it. हमें arrange करना है, setting बनानी है. After that, we have to plot the story. We have to arrange the story in a synchronized way, proper way. ऐसा नहीं कि पहले इंसिडेंट हमने कुछ और बता दिया उसके बाद कुछ और. प्रॉपर वे में इंसिडेंट नैरेट होना चाहिए. अगर प्रॉपर वे में इंसिडेंट नहीं है नैरेट तो वो स्टोरी प्रॉपर नहीं है, इनकरेक्ट है. देन क्लाइमेक्स सीन शुड बी देयर. आप अपने सीन में स्टोरी में कुछ क्लाइमेक्स या ट्विस्ट पार्ट डाल सकते हैं. डायलॉग्स यू कैन पुट इट इन योर स्टोरी, isn't it? You can put some dialogue also. Then theme, conclusion should be there. The theme should be based on like that which gives us moral or lesson to us. ऐसा थीम डाला जाए जिससे हमें उस स्टोरी को पढ़कर कुछ शिक्षा मिलनी चाहिए. ठीक है ना. तो ये सब हमने की पॉइंट्स डिस्कस किए थे. टुडे वी विल डू सम एक्सरसाइज, okay, to clear all our concept. So let us do our story writing, right? So here I will give you some outlines of the story. You have to use it well, using these outlines fully and your own ideas. Okay, I will give you outlines like this. This is the outline. Outline here is a slave runs away. A slave runs away from his cruel master. Okay, cruel master. Then a lion in the forest. A lion in the forest. Right. Then crying in pain. Crying in pain. Then afterwards, the slave takes out a thorn. The slave takes out a thorn from his foot. Few months later, in this way we can have some outlines. Few months later, what happened? The slave caught by his master, then ordered to throw him thrown before a hungry lion. The lion licks his feet and remember. Okay, so here is some outlines is given. It will in this way manner. You will get the question paper also in this manner. You will get the outlines. A slave runs away from his cruel master. A lion in the forest he found. That lion was having a crying in pain. The slave takes out a thorn from his foot. Few days later, slave caught by his masters and ordered to thrown before a hungry lion. The lion licks his feet and remember the same person. So these are some outlines is given. You have to narrate a story. Okay, how will you narrate it like this manner? So I am going to read, listen it. Once upon a time there was a slave. Got it? Once upon a time there was a slave. He worked very hard for his master. Slave क्या होता है? गुलाम, servant जिसे बोलते हैं. He worked very hard for his master. वो बहुत मेहनत करता था. He served him well and never gave any opportunity of complaint of any kind. This is your own ideas you are putting it. It is not there in the hints. He also tried to please his master by his obedience, sincerity and devotion. But his master treated him badly. So he used to beat him very cruelty and never show any kindness towards him. So the slave thought how to escape from him. स्लेव ने सोचा कि कैसे मैं अपने मास्टर से भाग के निकलूं, क्योंकि उसका मास्टर बहुत ही निर्दयी था, बहुत क्रूर था, बड़ी क्रूरता से उसके साथ व्यवहार करता था. एंड फॉर्चुनेटली ही एस्केप फ्रॉम हिज क्रूअल मास्टर. एक दिन उससे मौका मिल गया कि वो वहाँ से भाग निकला. वाइल क्रॉसिंग द फॉरेस्ट ही सॉ ए लॉयन. जो फॉरेस्ट एरिया में जा रहा था तो उसने एक लॉयन को देखा. एंड ही सॉ दैट द लॉयन वॉज क्राइंग इन पेन. दर्द के मारे वो करहा रहा था. सो द स्लेव wanted to know the reason and went near him. उसके पास गया. He saw that the lion had a thorn on his foot which he couldn't come out. So देखा कि उसके पैर में कांटा चुभ गया जिससे वो दर्द से करा रहा था और वो स्वयं निकाल नहीं पा रहा था. The slave gathered courage and without caring for his life took out the thorn from his foot. Slave ने बड़ी हिम्मत से, बड़ी होशियारी से अपनी बहादुरी दिखाई और उसने उस शेर के पंजों से कांटे निकाले. The lion stopped crying in pain and went away there. The slave also went away. After a few months later, the master bit in the slave caught him by his own master. कुछ दिन बाद वो पकड़ा गया और उसके मास्टर ने उसे पकड़ लिया था स्लेव को. The master beat him much and finally ordered to throw him into a hungry lion. और उसे बहुत मारा और उसे भूखे शेर के सामने कहा इसको ले जाके छोड़ दो ताकि इसकी मौत हो जाए. This hungry lion was the same one whose thorn had been taken out by the slave. वही same lion था. The lion at first rushed at him. Lion पहले उस पर भागा, but smelled him and started licking his feet. और उसे चाटने लगा. चाटते ही remembered the slave's old kindness. उसे याद आ गया. And the master understood the whole truth and set the lion and the slave up. मास्टर को समझ में आ गया कि ये दोनों एक दूसरे से जानते थे. फिर मास्टर ने लॉयन को भी और स्लेव को भी आज़ाद करते हमेशा. So this is the story we have narrated. So moral of the story is kindness is always rewarded. हम जब भी किसी पे दया करेंगे तो हम पर भी दया की जाएगी. आप इसका टाइटल द स्लेव एंड द लॉयन ऐसे कुछ जो कि स्टोरी से रिलेटेड हो उस पर बेस्ड टाइटल लिख सकते हैं. सो इन दिस वे यू कैन नैरेट ए स्टोरी बाय यूजिंग इफ आउटलाइन इज गिवन यू कैन इजीली फ्रेम इट. You have to write the story in past tense, remember it. You can put dialogues, okay. Arrange the story in a very systematic manner, right? So in this way you can do all types of works or exercises related to story writing. Thank you so much.